How to fix your account has been locked. So if you want to fix your account has been locked, then there are a few methods. The first method or the first thing that you can do is unlock with a security code. This applies if you see a next option or the next button within the error prompt window. Once you find the error prompt window of your account has been locked, you will have the next option on the bottom right. You can click on the next button and then enter a phone number to receive an online security code. You can use any phone number that can receive text messages. The number need not to be associated with your Microsoft account. After that, you will soon receive a security code. You can enter the access code in the corresponding field and it may fix your issue. But if that doesn't fix your issue or if you don't get the next option, then the second method is the error may appear if your ex-employer has enabled Office 365 on your personal device. In such case, after you leave the organization, your license is revoked. So you can't use your work account to access Microsoft 365 apps on your personal device. However, the error prompt appears if the information related to your work account is still available on your device. The same applies to your school account also. So to completely remove the account, you must manually completely uninstall Office from your device. You'll have your Microsoft 365. You just need to simply go with your Microsoft 365 and uninstall the Office from your device. You can also use the Office uninstaller tool for this purpose. Once you uninstall the Office, again reinstall the Microsoft 365 on your Windows device. This should resolve the issue and allow you to sign into your Microsoft 365 apps without any error prompts. Now, the third method is while trying to sign into your Microsoft Authenticator, is while trying to sign into your Microsoft 365, contact the global admin. If not, you can request him to reset your password. Or if you are the admin, then get in touch with the Azure Data Protection team. They'll help you with unlocking your account. And in this way, you'll be able to unlock your account on your Microsoft. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.